In this video, we are going to talk about solving simultaneous equations in which one of the equations is quadratic while the other one is linear. We will also show three methods: elimination method, substitution method, and graphical method. As we have mentioned in the previous video on simultaneous linear equations, the target in solving simultaneous equations is the finding of the set of values of x and y that will make each given equation true. By elimination method, we will subtract the two equations, eliminating a variable y in the process in the left side. On the right side, x squared minus 0x squared is s squared, 0x minus 2x is negative 2x, and 0 minus negative 1 is positive 1, resulting to a quadratic equation. To solve this quadratic equation is to factorize it into x minus 1 and x minus 1. Equating each factor to 0 will lead to x equals to 1. In this case, both factors give the same value 1. So, x equals 1. To solve for the value of y is to substitute this x value into one of the two original equations. Let's use the first one, y is equal to x squared. Since x is 1, y is now equal to 1 squared, which gives y equals 1. Another method we can use to solve simultaneous equations is the substitution method. This method involves substituting the expression representing a variable into the other equation. If the first equation says that y is the same as x squared, use this value of y and substitute it to the variable y in the other equation. Substitute x squared into the variable y in the second equation. This gives us the equation x squared is equal to 2x minus 1. By transferring all the terms to the other side to make it equal to 0, we will get the expression x squared minus 2x plus 1. You can see in the result that this expression is the same expression we had when we used the elimination method. By factorization of this quadratic equation into x minus 1 and x minus 1. Since the two factors are just the same, we can write it as x minus 1 bracket squared equal to 0. So, x minus 1 equal to 0 gives us x equal to 1. To solve for the value of y is to substitute this x value into one of the two original equations. Since x is 1, y is now equal to 1 squared, which gives y equals 1. For the graphical method, we will just insert here the graphs of the two equations given on the same Cartesian plane. What do you notice about their graphs? The line y equal to 2x minus 1 is tangent to the curve y equals x squared. It means that they intersect at exactly one point only. Their point of intersection has an x value of 1 and a y value of 1. All three methods agree on the same thing: the resulting x value and the corresponding y value are both shared by the two equations, thus, we call these values as the solutions of this set of simultaneous equations. Study the next example of simultaneous equations in which one is quadratic and the other is linear.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear, like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun, running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no. Keep running. Told my boss that I'm done. Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth. Maybe guilty but proud.